Good morning, student. Today we will study class 4th revision of chapter 5. Chapter number 5 is your introducing to MS PowerPoint 2010. Okay, a presentation is an interesting way of describing something to an audience. Okay, first of all we have to know about what is MS PowerPoint, how it can help, and what is a presentation. Okay, the presentation is this: if you have to suppose that if you have to sell this book, okay, if you are selling this book and you have to advertise this book, okay, you have to advertise this book, and in front of some people or audience are sitting there, and you are introducing about the books, about your books, what you have written, or what is the quality in this book, and what the matter you are giving. So you can use a presentation, and you can take help when you are making any presentation. You can take help of MS PowerPoint. Okay, usually audience, it is usually supported by audio visual aids such as picture, map, chart, music, and speech. In this you can add any speech, any music, any sound, or any video or map or many pictures. This is your presentation. Now the first topic is your how you can start MS PowerPoint 2000. Starting off MS PowerPoint 2010. When you are starting MS PowerPoint 2010, first step is your click on start button. Okay, click on start button. You have to click on start button. Then second is your click on all programs. Click on all programs. Then third one is your click on Microsoft Office. After that, fifth is your click on MS PowerPoint. This 4 steps you have to follow when you have to open MS PowerPoint. When you need that you are making any presentation and you have to open MS PowerPoint, you have to follow these 4 steps. Okay, you have to follow these 4 steps. Now what is when you are open when you have open a MS PowerPoint, there are many things. First one is your title bar ribbon. First is your title. What is title bar? A title bar is located at the top of the PowerPoint. This is your PowerPoint. Okay, you have opened in your PowerPoint. This upper side is your title bar. Okay, here is your title bar. Now ribbon. A ribbon toolbar is below the title bar. It contains many tabs. जो आपके टाइटल बार के बिलो रहेगा, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे टैब्स रहेंगे, फाइल टैब एंड मैनी अदर थिंग्स आर देयर. दिस इज कॉल्ड योर रिबन. ओके, टाइटल बार में क्या दिया रहेगा? नेम ऑफ प्रोग्राम, जो भी आपने प्रोग्राम ओपन कर रखा है. सपोज दैट यू हैव ओपन पावर पॉइंट, देन इट इज रिटन हियर पावर पॉइंट. ओके, नाउ रिबन. आफ्टर दैट योर फाइल टैब. A file tab is on the left side of the ribbon. Here ribbon, the first one is your file tab. Here it is written your file tab. Left side, the file tab is on the left side of ribbon. When you click on file tab, you see the backstage view. जब आप फाइल टैब में क्लिक करेंगे तो आपके पास में बैक स्टेज व्यू एक क्रिएट हो जाएगा, जिसमें फाइल, सेव एज, न्यू, ओपन, रीसेंट एंड प्रिंट, सेव एंड सेंड, मैनी अदर ऑप्शंस आर गिवन. आफ्टर दैट स्लाइड टैब. All the slides are displayed in a small view in the slide tab. Okay, after that you can click on the slide number in the slide tab to view the slide. If you have make any slide here, then you have to click on slide tab and you can view slide one by one. Then is your outline tab. The outline tab shows only the text written in the slide. जो भी टेक्स्ट हमारा स्लाइड में रिटन रहेगा वही हमें आउटलाइन टैब में दिखाई देगा. आफ्टर दैट इज योर स्लाइड पेन. द स्लाइड पेन इज द मेन वर्किंग एरिया. जो आपका मेन वर्किंग एरिया रहता है वो होता है हमारा स्लाइड टैब. आफ्टर दैट स्लाइड. A slide is a single page in a presentation. Each slide contains the information you want to present. स्लाइड में क्या है? एक सिंगल पेज रहेगा और जो भी आप इंफॉर्मेशन रहेगी वो आपकी स्लाइड में रहेगी. आफ्टर दैट योर प्लेस होल्डर. अ प्लेस होल्डर इज अ बॉक्स with dotted borders. The placeholder, this is your box and it is your dotted borders. This is your placeholder. Then your status bar. Status bar is at the bottom of the PowerPoint window. It display the slide number and total number. यहाँ पे bottom में रहता है और यहाँ पे slide number. After that, your view button, zoom in, zoom out. Many functions are given here. Now let us see all these topics in practical way. Okay, when you are working in your system and you have to see all this in your practical, then how it is. Okay, now let us see first of all starting MS PowerPoint. First of all, you have to click on start button, then all programs. After that, Microsoft Office, then your Microsoft PowerPoint. See, the PowerPoint has been open here. This is the way you can open a MS PowerPoint. Okay, after that we have discussed here the MS PowerPoint windows open. The window has been open here. Now what is your title bar? First one is your title bar. Title bar, this is your title bar. You can see it is of red boundary. Presentation 1 Microsoft PowerPoint producing activated field. Okay, this is your title bar. You can see the red color is of your title bar. Now the second one is your ribbon. What is ribbon? These all are ribbon. The many commands are given here: file, home, insert, design. After that, your animation, slide show, review view. Many commands are given here. This is your ribbon. Now the second after that ribbon is your file tab. This is your file tab. You have to open file tab. You can see save as, open, close, information, recent, new, print, save and send, help, option and exit. These all are file tab, and the file tab has been open here. Okay, the properties of file, related dates, related people. Okay, these all information are given here. Now slide tab, all the slides are displayed in a small view. These all are slides. Okay, this is your slide. All the slides are displayed in a small view. No title means I have written nothing here, so it is showing here no title. Outline tab, the outline tab shows only the text written in a slide. If I have written any text here where it is written, click to end, then it is your outline tab. After that, your slide pane. The slide pane is the main working area. It displays the slide which is currently selected. This is your slide pane. When this is your slide pane, it is the main working area. Only the main working area has been displayed. Now slide. A slide is a single page in a presentation. Each slide contains the information you want to present. Okay, जो भी हमारी स्लाइड रहेगी वो सारी इंफॉर्मेशन हमारी इस स्लाइड में डिस्प्ले होंगी. आफ्टर दैट योर प्लेस होल्डर. A placeholder is a box with dotted borders. You can see the dotted border. These all boundary is known as your placeholder. The dotted border is known as your placeholder. After that, status bar. This is your status bar at the bottom. At the bottom, you can see this is your status bar where our view button, zoom in. This is your zoom in. This is your zoom out. After that, this one yellow color is your zoom slider. You can zoom in or zoom out like this. This is your zoom slider. After that, okay, we have discussed up to status bar. You have to revise, and if you have system in your homes, you can practice on your system also. Thank you and have a nice day.